Hey there everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook avatar. What does that mean? It basically means the emojis that you see people randomly using with different emotions and whatnot that basically represent themselves and they look like yourself. So, open up Facebook and go to the three line menu, sorry, right here. Scroll a bit down and click see more. Here, click on avatars. And here you can create your own avatar. Just click next, get started. And here you can select your skin tone, your hairstyle. Make sure to make it like as close as possible to yours. They have a wide variety. Tongue twister. So head, face markings. We have dot, face lines, your eyes, eyebrows, have glasses or not, nose pretty on point, lips, your body type, your outfit that you want to wear. Oh Christ. Earrings. And that's pretty much it. Click done. Click save changes. It's gonna update our avatar right now. Click next. And now we can use our avatar as emojis. There we go. So now I'm gonna just head back. Find random. Oh, I can't use it on post. Let's just comment on something. Maybe one of our pictures. So you just need to click the avatar icon right here. And you can see we have our custom avatar. And that's it. Hope this helped you. If it did, like and subscribe and see you next time. Have a nice day.